Ever wondered how to perform the perfect thruster exercise? We're here to demystify this powerhouse move for you today. A thruster, in essence, is a dynamic blend of a front squat and an overhead press. This fusion of two fundamental movements makes it a prime pick in the world of CrossFit and strength sports. Why, you ask? Because it's a full-body workout rolled into one swift, fluid motion. Just imagine yourself holding a barbell at your chest, sinking into a deep squat, and then propelling upward with force, pressing the weight high above your head. That's a thruster for you, a seamless interplay of strength, power, and agility. But the beauty of the thruster doesn't stop with its versatility. It's a holistic exercise that engages your major muscle groups, from the quads, glutes, and hamstrings in your lower body, to the deltoids, triceps, and core in your upper body. So, when you're doing a thruster, you're not just working out, you're orchestrating a symphony of muscles all working in harmony. And there's more. This all-in-one exercise is a boon for balance and coordination. As you transition from a squat to a press, your body learns to maintain stability and control, fine-tuning your motor skills in the process. But wait, we're not done yet. The thruster is also a cardiovascular champion. The rapid, intense movements get your heart pumping, improving your heart health and endurance. Intrigued? Well, you should be. Now let's break down how to do a thruster. Hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, Monster Health Tips. By subscribing, you become a part of our health-conscious community, and you'll get regular updates with more tips and tricks to enhance your well-being. Ready to get moving? Here's how to perform a thruster with impeccable form and technique. Let's break it down into simple steps. The thruster exercise is a fusion of a front squat and an overhead press, and it's a powerful way to engage multiple muscle groups. It's also a staple in CrossFit and strength sports, and for a good reason. But before we dive into the details, it's essential to remember that maintaining proper form is key to preventing injuries and reaping the full benefits of this exercise, so let's get started. First, you need to set your stance. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, toes slightly turned out. This is your power base. It's where the magic begins. Next, you're going to hold the barbell. The grip should be just outside your shoulders, with your palms facing forward. This is called a front rack position. The barbell should rest on your collarbones and shoulders, not on your hands. Your elbows should be high and in front of the bar. This might feel a bit uncomfortable at first, but it's the optimal position for what comes next. Now let's get into the squat. Bend your knees while keeping your chest up and your back straight. As you lower your body, your thighs should be parallel to the ground or even a bit lower if you can manage it. Imagine sitting back into a chair. That's the kind of motion you want to mimic. Once you're in the squat position, it's time to explode upwards. Push through your heels, straighten your legs, and use that momentum to thrust the barbell upwards. This is where the thruster gets its name from. As you drive the barbell up, you're going to transition into the overhead press. Extend your arms fully, pushing the barbell straight up. Your head should come forward a bit as the barbell passes, and when fully extended, the barbell should be over the middle of your body, not in front of it. This is the top position of the thruster. But we're not done yet. After reaching the top, you need to lower the barbell back to the front rack position. Do this in a controlled manner, absorbing the weight with your legs as you return to the starting stance. And there you have it, your first perfect thruster. Remember, it's not about speed or how much weight you can lift. It's about control, precision, and maintaining correct form. Performing a thruster is like conducting a symphony. Every part of your body has a role to play, and when everything works together in harmony, that's when you hit the perfect note. So keep practicing, keep refining, and soon, you'll be conducting your own fitness symphony with ease. There you have it, a comprehensive guide to performing a thruster. But why should you incorporate this exercise into your routine? The thruster is not just a compound exercise, it's a powerhouse of benefits. Imagine an exercise that not only targets multiple major muscle groups but also improves balance and coordination. Well, that's the thruster for you. This dynamic move combines the power of a front squat with the explosiveness of an overhead press, making it a full-body workout in one compact package. When you perform a thruster, you engage a host of muscles, your quads, glutes, and hamstrings from the squat portion, and your shoulders, triceps, and back muscles from the overhead press. This comprehensive engagement results in a highly effective, time-efficient workout that can help you build strength and muscle mass. But that's not all. The thruster also has a significant impact on your balance and coordination. The transition from a squat to an overhead press requires control and stability, training your body to move with precision and grace. This can be particularly beneficial in daily activities and other sports that require good coordination. The thruster is also a great way to enhance your cardiovascular health. The combination of lower and upper body movements gets your heart rate up, providing a cardio workout alongside strength training. Regularly performing thrusters can help improve your stamina and endurance, making you fitter and healthier in the long run. For weightlifters, thrusters offer another unique advantage. The exercise can enhance strength and speed in clean and jerk movements. By simulating the explosive power required in these lifts, thrusters can help you improve your performance and reach new heights in your weightlifting journey. In essence, the thruster is a well-rounded exercise that offers a multitude of benefits. It's not just about building muscles or getting stronger. It's about improving your overall fitness level, enhancing your athletic performance, and promoting a healthier lifestyle. So, ready to give thrusters a try in your next workout? To recap, the thruster is a versatile and effective exercise that offers numerous benefits. It's a powerful blend of a front squat and an overhead press, engaging major muscle groups and enhancing strength, power, and overall health. Remember, the key to reaping the full benefits of the thruster is to maintain proper form and technique. From the initial front squat position to the explosive overhead press, every movement must be executed with precision and control. This exercise isn't just for the elite athletes out there. It's recommended for anyone keen on improving their balance, coordination, and cardiovascular health. So whether you're into CrossFit, strength sports, or simply on a journey to better health, the thruster can be a great addition to your workout routine. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, Monster Health Tips. By subscribing, you become a part of our health-conscious community, and you'll get regular updates with more tips and tricks to enhance your well-being. Remember, every step towards better health counts, no matter how small. Stay motivated, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next Monster Health Tip video.